Good morning everyone. Today I am here for the presentation on IR spectroscopy. Introduction. IR spectroscopy is deals with the interaction of infrared region of electromagnetic spectra with matter. It concerned with the study of absorption of infrared radiation which cause vibrational transition in molecule. It is based upon absorption spectroscopy. Order of electromagnetic radiation and their effects on a molecule or matter. Gamma ray, X-ray, UV, visible, infrared, microwave, radio wave. If we go down, they longer the wavelength and decrease in energy. In gamma rays, matter molecular effect is shown. X-ray, ionization, UV and visible ray cause electronic transition, infrared molecular vibration, microwave rotational motion, radio wave nuclear spin transition. Introduction of IR spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy is an important analytical technique for determining the structure of both inorganic and organic compound. It is also known as vibrational spectroscopy. Its lie between 0.7 to 400 micrometer. IR radiation is based upon selective absorption of IR radiation by the molecule which induce vibration of molecule of the compound. IR instruments are of two types: dispersive instrument, spectrophotometer, or Fourier transform IR instrument. Radiation used are incident lamp, Nernst glower, etc. And the detector used are thermal and photon detector. Nature of IR spectra. IR spectra is a graph of a band intensity on ordinate versus position of a band on abscissa. Band intensity can cause given in terms of transmittance or absorption. Position of band can be expressed in terms of wave number and wavelength. In IR spectra, wave number are used instead of a wavelength. For mention the character, peak as the unit has advantage being linear with energy of radiation. Energy E is equal to hc by lambda or E is equal to hcn. Transmission versus absorption. When a chemical sample is exposed to the action of IR light, it can absorb specific frequency and allow the rest to pass through it, known as transmitted light. Some of the light can be reflected back to the source. जैसे कि इस डायग्राम में दिखा रखा है कि IR सोर्स है ना, सैंपल पे लगेगी तो कुछ लाइट तो ट्रांसमिटेंस हो जाएगी और कुछ रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक हो जाएगी और कुछ एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगी बाय सैंपल. Transmittance is defined as the ratio of radiant power transmitted by the sample of the radiant incident on the sample, where absorption is equal to log 10 1 by T. जैसा कि इन ग्राफ में दिखा रखा है, जो वाई एक्सिस पर एब्जॉर्प्शन और एक्स एक्सिस पर फ्रीक्वेंसी इन वेव नंबर या हम फ्रीक्वेंसी ले सकते हैं. इस पे पीक अगर एब्जॉर्प्शन पे बनाएंगे तो ऊपर पीक होगा और ट्रांसमिटेंस में ये ग्राफ उल्टा हो जाएगा. जैसे कि ये पीक दिखा रखे इसमें तो मैक्सिमम इस पीक पे होगा, लेकिन इसमें ट्रांसमिटेंस में वो मिनिमा पर होगा. In IR spectra is usually plotted using transmittance. Hence, absorption band appear as a dip rather than maxima. Each dip is called band or peak. IR band can be classified as strong, medium, or weak, depending on their relative intensity in infrared spectra. A strong band cover mostly y-axis, medium half of y-axis, weak 1/3 of y-axis. जैसा कि इस ग्राफ में दिखा रखा है, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग बैंड होगा वो ऑलमोस्ट फुल वाई एक्सिस को कवर करेगा और मीडियम हाफ को, और जो वीक होगा वो 1/3 को कवर करेगा. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ IR स्पेक्ट्रा. व्हेन एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ IR इज applied IR is equal to natural frequency of vibration. The absorption of IR take place and a peak is observed. Molecules are excited to a higher energy state from ground state when absorption of IR radiation take place. When a compound is exposed to IR radiation, it is selectively absorption the radiation resulting in vibration of molecules or the compound. Give rise to closed pack absorption band called IR radiation spectra. The band corresponding to characteristic functional group and the band present in a chemical substance. Thus, in IR spectra of a compound is considered in a fingerprint chemical identification. Organic compound absorb IM energy in IR region. IR region don't have sufficient energy to cause electronic transition as UV visible. How it causes atom and group of some of a organic compound in vibration faster the covalent bond which connect them. In UV, we show that from UV to microwave, the wavelength increases. In ultraviolet radiation, molecule dissociated. In IR, molecule vibration, and microwave molecular rotation, chaos molecular rotation. A molecule in the ground state possesses three energy levels: electronic, vibrational, rotational energy level. Absorption in the IR region is due to cause of change of vibrational and rotational level. When electron absorb less energy, rotational transition take place. The spectra observed is called rotational spectra, observed in far IR, 25 to 300 or 400 micrometer. When the electron absorbs still higher energy, vibrational transition takes place, which is accompanied with rotational transition. The spectra observed is called vibrational rotational spectra, obtained in near IR region, 2.5 to 25 micro. Electronic transition take place at higher energy. These are not seen in IR region. Criteria for a compound to absorb IR radiation. First, correct wavelength of incident radiation. A molecule absorbs radiation when only frequency incident radiation equivalent to a natural frequency of vibration of a molecule of the molecule. Absorption of a correct wavelength radiation, the molecule vibration at increased amplitude due to absorption of IR energy. Example, HCl has a natural vibrational frequency of 8.7 into 10 raised to power 13 per second. When HCl sample is exposed to IR radiation, only the radiation of frequency 8.7 into 10 raised to power 13 per second are absorbed and remaining are transmitted. Point second, dipole moment and symmetry of a molecule. The bond in a molecule can absorb IR radiation only when there is change in dipole moment due to electric field of IR radiation. Electric field, positive or negative, on the atom or molecule experience for the opposite direction as resulting in spacing between charged atom of a molecule also decrease. These charged atom vibration absorption IR radiation. If the rate of vibration in charged atom is fast, they exhibit intense absorption of IR radiation and vice versa. Vibrational transition of CO, NH, OH occur to change in dipole moment, thus absorbs to IR radiation. Symmetric diatomic molecule, example O2, N2, etc. do not possess electric dipole and hence cannot absorb IR radiation. Even through symmetrical compounds such as ethylene exhibits dipole, they do not show any change in dipole moment upon C double bond C stretching. If the symmetry of a compound is destroyed, it exhibits change in dipole moment and a strong IR absorption take place. Example, ethylene, bromoethylene. Substitution of bromine from hydrogen of ethylene destroy the symmetry and stretch of a double bond exhibits change in dipole momentum. When polar bond is exposed to IR radiation stretch, vibrational along the intermolecular axis of a polar bond are seen. Hence, electron distribution change and change in dipole moment seen. Molecular vibration are of two types: fundamental vibration, non-fundamental vibration. Fundamental vibration has two parts: stretching, bending. Stretching has two parts: symmetry and asymmetry. Bending has two parts: in-plane bending, out-plane bending. In-plane bending can be distributed in also two parts: scissoring, rocking. Out-plane has two parts: wagging, twisting. Non-fundamental vibration has overtone, combination tone, fermitone. Type of fundamental vibration: two, stretching and bending vibration. Stretching, Change in bond length versus between two atoms. Bending. Change in bond angle between two bonds. Second, stretching. It requires more energy, so appear at shorter wavelength. Bending. It requires less energy, so appear longer wavelength. Type of stretching vibration. Symmetrical, asymmetrical. Type of bending vibration. In plane and out of plane bending. Stretching vibration. Symmetrical, asymmetrical. Symmetrical stretching. Two bonds increase or decrease in length stimulously. Asymmetrical stretching. In this, one bond length is increased and other is decreased. Bending vibration. First, in plane bending, all the atoms are in same plane. Out plane bending. Two atoms, one in one plane and one atom in opposite plane. In plane bending has two types. Scissoring. Bond angle are decreased. Rocking. Movement of atom in the same direction. Out plane bending. Two types, wagging and twisting. Wagging. Two atoms move to one side of a plane. Twisting. Two atoms where one atom move and one above the plane and other below the plane. में पॉसिबल एब्जॉर्प्शन पर ऑकर एग्जिस्ट स्ट्रेचिंग एंड बेंडिंग वाइब्रेशनल मोड. जैसा कि हमने पीछे पढ़ा था कि स्ट्रेचिंग में दोनों एक साइड जाएंगे, मॉलिक्यूल और स्ट्रेचिंग में एक अंदर की साइड आएगा तो एक बाहर की साइड जाएगा, वही इसने शो कर रखा है. फिर सीजरिंग में दोनों या तो मतलब एक दूसरे की साइड जाएंगे और दूसरे अलग साइड जाएंगे. रॉकिंग में मतलब वो दूसरा की साइड जाएंगे. ट्विस्टिंग एक ऊपर एक नीचे और वैगिंग दोनों एक ही प्लेन में. Vibrational frequency. The value of a stretching vibrational frequency of band can be calculated by using Hooke's law. Hooke's law said that vibrational frequency of bond is directly proportional to bond's length and inversely proportional to mass of at the end of a bond. Wave number is equal to 1 by 2 pi c under root k by nu, where nu bar is equal to frequency of wave number. Nu is equal to m1 into m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Nu reduced mass. Vibrational frequency or wave number depend upon following. First, bond strength. The frequency of vibration directly proportional to strength of bond. Stretching vibrational of a triple bond will appear at high frequency than either of double or single bond. Triple bond frequency 2150 centimeter inverse. Double bond 1650 centimeter inverse. Single bond 1200 centimeter inverse. Mass. Vibrational frequency is inversely proportional to the mass at the end of bond. CH bond 3000, CC bond 1200, CO bond 1100, CCl bond 750, CBr 600, CI 500 centimeter inverse. They are decreasing in this order because mass of hydrogen is less than carbon and mass of carbon is less than oxygen and so on. Hybridization. Hybridization affects the bond strength or a force constant. Bonds are stronger in order. For example, if we see hybridization like sp, sp2, sp3, in this there is increase in s character. If there is increase in s character, there is increase electronegative in the bond, electronegativity. If there is increase in electronegativity, the bond length is shorter and bond length is inversely proportional to directly proportional to bond strength. So bond strength increases and the frequency of vibration also increases. Non-fundamental vibration. Overtone, combination tone, Fermi resonance. Overtone. They are observed at twice the frequency of stronger bond. Example, carbonyl group. Second, combination tone. Weak bonds that appear occasionally at a frequency that are sum or difference of two or more fundamental bands. Fermi resonance. Interaction between fundamental vibration and overtone or combined tone. Example, CO2. Coupling interaction. It is expected that there is a stretching absorption frequency for isolated carbon hydrogen bond, but in case of methylene CH2 group, two absorption occur which correspond to symmetrical and asymmetrical vibration. Asymmetrical vibration also take place at high wave number compared with the symmetrical vibration. They are known as coupling vibration because vibration occur at different frequency than that required for isolated carbon hydrogen bond. Fermi resonance. It occurs when fundamental vibration couples with an overtone or a combined band. When overtone or combined band has the same frequency to a fundamental, two bands appear close together. The effect of greater when the frequency match and the two bands are referred to be Fermi doublet. When two bands share a common atom, as in case of a linear triatomic molecule, CO2 consists of two CO bands. Two fundamental stretching vibrations, symmetrical and asymmetrical, take place. Symmetrical stretching vibration produce no change in dipole moment of a molecule. It is inactive in IR spectra. Asymmetrical vibration. One oxygen approaches the carbon atom as other may be away. Asymmetrical stretching vibration appear in region 2330 cm inwards. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding give rise to a down frequency shift. Stronger the bond, greater the absorption shift toward longer wavelength and natural value. Generally, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are sharp and well defined. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding are concentrated dependent. Only dilution intensity of such bonding decrease and finally disappear. For example, in this there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. If we add water in this, there is no effect on this bond. So vibrational frequency has no effect of a dilution in intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Electronic displacement effect. The frequency shift from a normal position to absorption occur because of electronic effect, which include inductive effect, mesomeric effect, configuration effect, and field effect. Under the influence of these effects, the force constant or the bond strength changes and absorption frequency shifts from the normal value. The introduction of alkyl group in alpha position of a carbonyl group exert inductive effect, which causes shortening and strengthening in the band. Consequently, force constant increase and so frequency or the wave number absorption also increase. Inductive effect. Plus I effect, electronic deficiency. Example, alkyl group. Bond length increases. Force constant decrease. Frequency decrease. For minus I inductive effect, electrons rich. Example, Cl, Br, I, OH. Bond length decrease. Force constant increase. Frequency increase. Mesomeric effect work along the inductive effect. In some cases, inductive effect dominate over mesomeric effect or vice versa. Configuration decrease the wave number of absorption. Oxygen atom of ester is more electronegative than nitrogen atom of amide. One pair of electron pair of a nitrogen atom of amide participate more in conjugation, thereby decreasing the absorption frequency of a carbonyl group of amide. For example, benzoamide wave number 1663, phenyl acetate 1730. Reason of IR radiation. Range of IR radiation may be divided into four categories. Photographic wave number range 14,285 to 833 centimeter inverse. Very near 833 to 400. Near 400 to 667. Far 667 to 33 to 25 or 50 centimeter inverse. The special range used most in near IR region. This range gives the most information about vibration and hints about the structure of a molecule. If the wavelength is 2.5 micro, wave number is equal to 1 by lambda. 1 by 2.5 micro in centimeter, 1 by 2.5 into 10 raised to power 10 to 4 centimeter. 400 centimeter inverse. Region of IR spectra is divided into two categories. Region 400, near IR radiation is divided into two regions. First, fundamental region, functional group region, from 400 to 1400, 4000 to 1400 centimeter inverse. It consists of a absorption band of vibrational state of a various type of bond present in molecule. The important group accounted for NH, carbonyl group, carbon double bond, nitrogen, etc. The presence of aromatic nucleus 2000 to 1670 centimeter inverse and hydrogen bonding NH, etc. are also encountered in this region. The graph shown in the region of a spectra where the following type of bond absorbed, for example, a sharp band around 2400 centimeter inverse would indicate the possibility presence in carbon nitrogen bond and carbon single bond triple bond and CH bond in key range 3500 to like 2700. फॉर कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कार्बन और कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नाइट्रोजन है उसकी रेंज है थे 2400 के बीच में. ऑल बॉन्ड कार्बन कार्बोनिल ग्रुप कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड साइनाइड ग्रुप और जो फिंगरप्रिंट रीजन है लाइक जिसका है ये कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड नाइट्रोजन इनका रीजन है 600 से लेके 1400 तक. जैसे कि हमने पीछे पढ़ा था 1400 टू 667 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स ये फिंगरप्रिंट रीजन और जो हमने पढ़ा था 4000 टू 1400 ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप रीजन. ओके, fingerprint region. The region account for many absorption band characteristics of functional group since number of sharp band of various intensity are account close examined is need. This region is useful for the indication of a compound since no compound can have identical spectra under identical conditions. Region present between 1400 centimeter show band due to the bending vibration and stretching vibration of carbon single bond oxygen and carbon single bond nitrogen band. The region less than 250 centimeter inverse consists of complex vibration and rotation spectra of complete molecules. ये जैसे कि ग्राफ में शोन कर रखा है, देखो यहाँ पर 1400 से के बाद इसमें दिखा रखे हैं जो IR spectra of alkane has no functional group. Therefore, IR spectra displays only for carbon single bond carbon and CH bond vibration. Of these, the most useful are the CH bond which appear at 300 centimeter inverse ड्यू टू CH स्ट्रेचिंग वाइब्रेशन. और कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन के लिए कुछ मतलब इसमें ये मैक्सिमम पीक इसके लिए होगी CH बॉन्ड स्ट्रेचिंग के लिए. और फिंगरप्रिंट रीजन इसमें जैसा कि शो कर रखा है, देखो ये शो कर रखा है फिंगरप्रिंट रीजन. इसमें हम किसी भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप के बारे मतलब फिंगरप्रिंट दो फंक्शनल ग्रुप का फिंगर ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल हैज अ लॉट ऑफ कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन एंड कार्बन CH bonding within their structure. Spectra obtained which has peak in a 1400 to 800 centimeter range. This is referred to a fingerprint region. The pattern obtained in a character of a particular compound. The frequency of any absorption is also affected by the appointed atom or groups. IR spectra for alkenes. Besides the presence of CH bond, alkenes show sharp medium band correspond to C double bond C band stretching at 1600 से 1700 centimeter inverse. Some alkene might also be band for CH bond stretching around 380 centimeter inverse as shown below. C double bond H के लिए हम 3080 पे ये बैंड दिखेगा, जैसे कि देखो ये रहा ये बैंड रहा appearing around 3000. फिर IR spectra for alkyne आ गया. C triple bond C, it shows sharp and weak band around 2100 centimeter inverse. Reason it weak because triple bond is very not very polar. In some cases, such as highly symmetrical alkene, it may not show at all due to low polarity of the triple bond associated with those alkynes. Terminal alkynes. Those where the triple bond at the end of a carbon chain have CH bond including the sp carbon. Therefore, they may be also shown sharp weak band at 3300 centimeter inverse corresponding at a stretching CH bond. Internal alkynes such as those triple bond in the middle of the carbon chain do not show CH bond to a sp carbon and therefore lack of a F formational band. जैसा कि इसमें शो कर रखा, देखो ये है कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कार्बन और H के लिए और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए ये पीक शो और सिंगल बॉन्ड के लिए ये 1-acetylene था for nitrile. In a manner very simple to alkyne, nitriles show a predominant band around caused by CN triple bond. This band has a sharp pointed shape just like alkene CC triple bond, but because of its triple bond is more polar, this band is stronger than in alkynes. जैसा कि ग्राफ most prominent in alcohol due to bonding, it appears strong broad band covering the range 3000 to 3700 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. जैसा कि ये दिखा रखा है, OH का बॉन्ड मोर ब्रॉड बैंड होगा. द सीजरिंग साइज एंड ब्रॉड शेप ऑफ ए बैंड डोमिनेट द IR रीजन. जैसा कि इन एल्डिहाइड carbonyl C double bond of functional group is at end of a carbon chain, wherein ketone in the middle of chain. As a result, carbonyl group bond on aldehyde is also bonded to another carbon and a hydrogen, whereas the same carbon in a ketone is bonded to two other carbon. Aldehyde and ketone show a sharp predominant shake shape banded around 1710 से 1720 centimeter inverse. This band is due to highly polar carbonyl group. Because aldehyde also contains CH bond to sp2 carbon of a carbonyl group. They also show a pair of a medium strength band position about 27. These bands are missed in a spectra of ketone because sp2 character of carbon of ketone lacks the CH bond. कार्बोनिल का हमें पता है सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बैंड आता है कार्बोनिल ग्रुप का. इन दोनों में कार्बोनिल ग्रुप का स्ट्रॉन्ग बैंड है. But due to plus I factor, in ketone they have a smaller value like 718, or in aldehyde there is a 1725. Little difference between the range of a carbonyl group. For carbonyl group, we know the range is 1700 to 1850. This is due to carbonyl group. जैसा कि ग्राफ में दिखा रखा है, बिकॉज इट हैव बॉन्ड एंड डबल बॉन्ड और कार्बोनिल बॉन्ड. देयरफॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ब्रॉड बैंड covering a wide range between 2800 to 35 centimeter inverse for alcohol stretching, and also show the stake shaped band in the middle of the spectra around 1710 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू कार्बोनिल स्ट्रेच. जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं जो 3200, इसमें ये थोड़ा सा मतलब ग्राफ में थोड़ा याद रह जाए इसीलिए दिखा रखा है. जैसे एल्कोहल का हमें पता है ये ब्रॉड बैंड आएगा, लेकिन एल्डिहाइड का की पीक आएगी, इसमें दिखा रखा है. और जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है वो हमें पता है एल्कोहल भी है उसमें और कार्बोनिल ग्रुप भी है, तो इसमें एल्कोहल का ब्रॉड बैंड आएगा, कार्बोनिल का शार्प बैंड आएगा. दोनों एक में आएंगे. मे बी आपको इससे कुछ मदद मिले. ये मतलब आपको ये इसीलिए लगाया गया कि ताकि आप इनकी रेंज याद रख सको. OH का बैंड 3200 से 3600 के बीच में, कार्बन H का बॉन्ड भी मतलब 3000 से 3500 के बीच में, फिर NH का बॉन्ड, C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. इनसे आप मतलब थोड़ा आपको ग्राफ बनाते वक्त ध्यान रहेगा. इसी एप्लीकेशन ऑफ IR स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी. फर्स्ट, आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. The identity of organic compound can be established from or its fingerprint region by comparing the sample spectra with the known spectra of compound. For example, spectra of N-hexyl shown in figure. Second, qualitative determination of functional group. The presence or absence of a absorption band help in predicting the presence of certain functional group in the compound. Second, distinction between two type of hydrogen bonding. If a compound have intramolecular H bonding, it will show broad band in IR spectra, and if a compound has intermolecular hydrogen bonding, then it will show sharp, well defined band. Difference between इंट्रामोलिकुलर एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. इंट्रामोलिकुलर में ब्रॉड बैंड शो करेगा, इंटरमोलिकुलर में शार्प बैंड. एग्जांपल, ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनोल शो ब्रॉड बैंड ड्यू टू इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, वेयर एज पैरानाइट्रोफिनोल शो शार्प बैंड ड्यू टू इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. और हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग लेस स्ट्रॉन्गर होती है एज कंपेयर टू इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. Point fourth, quantitative analysis. It can be done by measuring the intensity of absorption band. Example, ethylene exists as a mixture of three compounds which show absorption band like ortho, meta, para. Ortho के लिए 740 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, मेटा 880 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स, पैरा 830 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. स्टडी ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. इट इज यूजफुल फॉर स्टडी इन द केमिकल रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल, रिडक्शन ऑफ ब्यूटेन टू ओन टू फॉर्म ब्यूटेनॉल. और जो ब्यूटेन टू ओन की रेंज होगी वो 1710 और जो ब्यूटेनॉल की रेंज होगी वो 3300 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स के. स्टडी ऑफ कीटोइनोल टोटोमेरिज्म. Diketone and ketoester exhibits ketoenol tautomerism. This can be studied using IR spectra of combine. For example, ethyl acetoacetic ester इसमें कार्बोनिल ग्रुप की रेंज होगी 1710 होगी, लेकिन आफ्टर चेंजिंग इन अल्कोहल और कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इट चेंज, कार्बोनिल ग्रुप की तो 1645 और ऑक्सीजन OH बॉन्ड की होगी वो 3300 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स में चेंज हो जाएगी। फ्रॉम द सिंगल IR स्पेक्ट्रा of an unknown substance, it is not possible to know whether it is pure or a mixture of a compound. Samples cell are made of a halogen salt which are susceptible to moisture. Gas sample cannot be analyzed as they lack sensitivity. Thank you. This chapter is complete.